Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will explore the principles of the object-oriented programming and provide demonstrations and explanations to help you understand this powerful programming paradigm. So let's get started. OOP stands for Object-Oriented Programming, a paradigm based on the concept of objects, which are instances of classes. It allows developers to create more modular, reusable, and maintainable codes. Main principles of object-oriented programming: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstraction. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is about bundling data and methods that operate on the data into a single unit or class and restricting access to some of the object's components. Think of encapsulation like a coffee machine. You press a button, but you don't need to know how it brews the coffee inside. Inheritance allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class and promoting code reusability. If you create a vehicle class, a car class could inherit from it and add its own specific features. Polymorphism. Polymorphism allows one method to do different things based on the object it is acting upon. It enables a single interface to be used for a general class of actions. Imagine a drive method, whether it's a car, truck, or motorcycle. They all have a drive method, but they may behave differently when called. Abstraction is the process of hiding the implementation details and only showing the essential features of an object. When you drive a car, you don't need to know how the engine works. You just need to know how to steer and press the gas pedal. So, let's talk about benefits of object-oriented programming. Modularity refers to breaking down complex system into a smaller, more manageable components or modules. Reusability refers to the ability to use existing code in new contexts. Well-named classes, methods, and variables can make the code more understandable. OOP encourages the use of meaningful names that reflect the purpose of each element. Enhanced scalability in object-oriented programming refers to the ability of a system to handle increasing workloads or complexity without significant performance or architectural changes. In OOP, facilitating team collaboration means that the paradigm promotes effective teamwork and communication among developers. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoy it. Please hit the subscribe button and like it.